Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, October 18th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we will be having cheese toast, sausage and egg. For lunch, chicken tenders. Tomorrow for breakfast, we'll have a cereal bar, and for lunch will be beefaroni. Today's announcements. Teachers, please make sure you're posting attendance by 9 a.m. each day. We are doing a pretty good job of this. Keep it up, teachers. Good job. Also, masks. Students, we do not have additional masks to give you every single day, so make sure that you have a mask as a part of your school uniform. It is your job each morning to pack it with your school materials and wear it into the school building every day. Teachers must also make sure the students are wearing them correctly. This week's late duty, today is Miss Overstreet, tomorrow is going to be Miss Battaglia, Wednesday Miss Hogan, Thursday Miss Lee, and Friday Miss Peralta. Today's word of the day is a line plot. A line plot is a diagram showing frequency of data on a number line. Okay, so maybe your teacher asked how many pets you had at your house. So this line plot shows that there are a lot of students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 students that have one pet, and there's only 5 students there's only one student that has 5 pets. So there's 7 students that have one pet, but there's only one student that has 5 pets. Numbers 3 and 4, 3 pets and 4 pets, those each have 3 little X's, so that means there's 3 students that have 3 pets and there's 3 students that have 4 pets. So a line plot is a way to show data. All right, we have some important dates coming up. October 18th through 22nd, that's this week, is Digital Citizenship Week. Ms. Smith sent out an email on Friday that had some information that came from central office, so please make sure that you take a look at that. There are things we are doing each day that you are sharing with your students to cover how to be a great digital citizen, and so we'll be covering that in our tech classes some too. So check out that Citizenship Week information that came to you in an email on Friday. Also today we will have a faculty meeting after school. October 25th through the 29th is the Book Fair and Red Ribbon Week. October 27th is PST during Extended PE and 5th grade Super Scholars. October 28th is Read for the Record. October 29th is Feel Good Friday, and our Fundraiser ends. November 3rd, our Sunnyside Theater play is going to be here for pre-K through 2nd grades and PD during Extended PE. November 10th is Reading and Math PLT. November 11th is no school due to Veterans Day. November 12th is World Kindness Day. Also this week, along with being Digital Citizenship Week, I believe it is Making Good Choices and Anti-Bullying Week. All right, so I know that Miss Pate will be highlighting some things, and she will be talking about that in her counseling classes. So we encourage everyone to spend this week being a good person online for digital citizenship and making good choices in person for no bullying week. So lots of stuff going on. We also still have our Be a Champion and Read campaign. That's going to be ending pretty soon. So get those 6 books read, bring your form back signed to get in for the drawing for those Iron Bowl tickets. Our coupon book fundraiser is still going on. You can win some great prizes, so make sure that you are selling those coupon books and you will turn your money in and get those will be going back out to whoever you sold them to later on in the month. Now, we would like to congratulate our iReady Stars of the Week. For K1, our top iReady class was Miss Waller's class, and the top student was Reagan Zine. For grades 2 and 3, our top class was Miss Bertolino's class. and our top student was Ariana Pringle. And for grades 4 and 5, our top I-Ready class was Miss Wolf's class, and our top student was Riley Petaway. So congratulations to those classes and those students who have been working super hard on their I-Ready. Now we have lots more things to celebrate. Here we started with our celebrating of our I-Ready leaders, and now we want to celebrate lots more students for their positive office referrals. So here we have Mason from Miss Cunningham's class and Matthew also from Miss Cunningham's class. We have Simone from Miss Waller's class, and we have Serena from Miss Duberg's class. We have Hayden from, I believe also from Miss Duberg's class, and we have Cameron. Miss Milam recognized Cameron and Hayden. We have Kaylee and we have Jackson, who were also recognized by Miss Milam. We have Reagan, who was recognized by Miss Hogan, and we have Jace, who was also recognized by Miss Hogan. We have Robert, who was referred to the office by our fabulous nurse Eaton. We have Phoenix, who was referred to the office by Miss Pate. We have Kaylin from Miss Washam's class, and we have Skylar from, she's also a third grader, and she was recognized by Miss Thomas. Then we have China, who was recognized by Miss Bolton, and we have Raven, who was recognized by Miss Barnes. Then we have Janae. No, I'm sorry. We have Jordan McCarroll, and Justin Geitz, who were also positive office referrals. Then we have Aaliyah Frank, and we have Eric Yulin Sanchez, who are also positive office referrals. And finally, last but definitely not least, we have Michael Moore, who received not one, but 2 positive office referrals last week. So way to go, all you kiddos who got sent to the office, sent to the principal's office for being so fabulous. That is wonderful. We have one more thing to celebrate here today on this marvelous Monday. We would like to congratulate everybody, okay? Everybody can celebrate that we are officially a Nearpod certified school. Last Friday, the people from Nearpod came to visit our school, and some people from Central Office, and they recognized us as a Nearpod certified school. So that is awesome. That takes lots of teachers and lots of students doing lots of great work to gain us that certification, and so we shall all celebrate that achievement. Thank you, students, for doing your part, and way to go, teachers, for all of you doing your part. Everybody is awesome here at Shepherd Elementary. What can we say? That's a lot of things to celebrate, and that's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Shepherd Scholars.